Hey y'all, it's Diana Latrice. Welcome to your money era. If you're ready to take control of your money and build wealth with a clear plan, you are in the right place. I know what it feels like to struggle. I was a single mom living paycheck to paycheck, juggling bills and hoping the card didn't decline at the grocery store. But when I got serious, built a real system and trusted the process and stayed disciplined, everything changed. I paid off my car, stopped drowning in fees, and saved enough to go to nursing school full time. That discipline and consistency built the foundation for what I teach now. And the truth is, hope isn't a strategy. Winging it keeps you stuck. A simple, consistent system is what changes your life. I am living proof. Around here, we focus on what you can control, your decisions, your habits, your plan. Whether you're rebuilding or leveling up, this is where you learn to steward your money with strength and intention. I break down practical, straight talk steps, spending plans, saving strategies, wealth building, and the real life discipline it takes to stay committed. If you're ready to start building a financial future that you're proud of, hit subscribe. It's time to take ownership and build your life on purpose. Welcome to your money era. Let's get to work.